Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a page from a PDF file using I Love PDF, a free easy online tool that works right in your browser. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.ilovepdf.com. Once the website loads, you'll see a bunch of PDF tools, but what we need is the one that says Organize PDF. Click on that option. Now, click the Select PDF File button in the middle of the page. This will open your file manager where you can browse and choose the PDF you want to edit. Select your file, and it will automatically upload to the I Love PDF website. Once your PDF loads, you'll see all the pages displayed as thumbnails. Here's where the magic happens. To delete a page, simply hover your mouse over the page you don't want, and you'll see a trash bin icon appear in the corner. Click on that trash icon, and that page will be marked for deletion. You can remove multiple pages this way if needed. When you're done selecting the pages you want to delete, look at the top right corner and click the Organize or Delete Pages button, depending on the version of the site you're using. In just a few seconds, I Love PDF will process your file and automatically generate a new PDF without the deleted pages. When it's done, click the Download PDF button to save your new updated file to your computer or phone. And that's it! You've successfully deleted a page from your PDF using I Love PDF. No complicated software, no paid tools, just a quick and easy online solution. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more simple tech tutorials like this one.